Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So if you're watching this, you probably have a Kubota that's not starting. Starts sometimes it doesn't. You know, you turn the key and you get nothing. Now sometimes if you whack on the starter, you can hear it click, which I'll show you here in a second. My starter is all beat to hell, which we'll go over that, but I'll whack on it a little bit. See if we can get it to click. Now it's clicking, and it is trying to shoot out, but there's just not enough power. So the solution to that, I got this off of Amazon. It was like 18 bucks. You just want to search AM107421, and this is a relay, and I'm hoping this works because I've been dealing with this BS for about 2 years now, and we're gonna throw it on. So first thing you want to do, you got two nuts here, and pull out your lights. So let me get this off and you'll get a much better view of what's going on down here. Okay, so here we are. Now the very first thing you want to do is disconnect your battery. As you can see, this starter, I've been beating on this thing for like 6 months. Starts sometimes takes 5 minutes. Sometimes I have to turn the fan actually and move the flywheel. But problem is the Bendix is not getting enough voltage to pop out. And that's what this little relay does. This little relay, you have a red wire on it. You're going to put that right to the post because this is a constant 12. You're going to unplug this, and that's going to get plugged into here. Then you're going to plug that in there, and then the black, you're going to ground that out, which right there is a good ground anyway. So we're going to take this off, we're going to take this off, we're going to get this tied up, and then we're going to find a home for this. So let me get some tools and we'll get going. All right, that literally took maybe 2 minutes. We got the red on here, right on the constant power to the starter. We got the black here. I'm gonna find a home for this, but I just got these plugged in. Let's reconnect the battery and see if that does anything for us. Just put you right there. All right, here's the moment of truth. Oh, that's already a win right there. Oh yeah. Yeah, that did it. And as you can see, you know, obviously I didn't change the starter, still all beat up. I was going to, but why? If it works, it works. So thanks for watching. I wanted to make this quick so you didn't have to sit through a bunch of boring videos, and good luck with your tractor. Quick update, there is a hole right there on the tractor. Very easy to get to. You can use a 1/4 inch nut and bolt. And just in case you're curious, this is the one that I bought. Brand was a Pico, and the number again is AM107421 2150. So have fun. Oh.